Alright, hello. Just plugging away here. I'm almost ready to weld these parts into the box there. Focus. That's because I got things zapped so fucking tight. Alright, question being the numbers on the inside of the box here, the slider portion. We got 1948 here, and this was a small carry box. This one here has got 2948, or I don't know if that's an 8 or a 3. This one in this drawer looks more like an 8. It's hard to tell. They just weld right over top of these things. That looks like a 3. It's hard to tell. That one almost looks like an 8, but... Alright, now we look at the bottom drawer. And there's our numbers. 1855. I know it has to do with the sizing of it to some degree, but I don't know. Does it cover the ear too? Anyone got any ideas? I'd like to find out some info on this box if I can. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by and say hello. Dan out.